The simple secrets to living below your means. Hey everyone, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're talking about a topic that's crucial for financial success, living below your means. Living below your means is the foundation for building real, lasting wealth. It's about being smart and making conscious choices with your money. Stick around because I'm about to break down the simple secrets to living below your means. All right, let's kick things off with a mindset shift. Embracing a thrifty lifestyle. Being thrifty isn't about being cheap, it's about being resourceful and finding clever ways to save money. Think about it. Do you really need that brand new car, or will a reliable used one do the trick? Could you furnish your apartment with some awesome finds from thrift stores or online marketplaces? By making these small adjustments and being mindful of your spending, you'll be amazed at how much money you can save in the long run. Next up, let's talk about transportation. Owning a car can be a huge money pit between car payments, insurance, gas, and maintenance. That's why I'm a huge advocate for using public transportation whenever possible. Not only is it significantly cheaper, but it also saves you the hassle of driving in traffic and finding parking. Plus, you're doing your part for the environment by reducing your carbon footprint. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good deal? One of the easiest ways to live below your means is to become a master of coupons and discounts. Before you buy anything, take a few minutes to search online for coupon codes or cashback offers. There are tons of websites and apps dedicated to helping you save money on everything from groceries to clothing to travel. Trust me, a few minutes of effort can lead to some serious savings. Unleash the power of the side hustle. Living below your means isn't just about cutting expenses. It's also about finding ways to boost your income. A side hustle is any type of work you do outside of your main job to earn extra money. It could be anything from freelance writing or graphic design to driving for Uber or delivering food. Any money you earn from your side hustle can go straight towards your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, investing, or saving for a down payment on a house. Turn clutter into cash with yard sales. We all have stuff lying around our homes that we don't use anymore, clothes that don't fit, gadgets we've upgraded, or books we've already read. Instead of letting these items collect dust, why not turn them into cash? Hosting a yard sale is a great way to declutter your space and make some extra money. You can also sell your unwanted items online through platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Not only will you be freeing up valuable space in your home, but you'll also be putting some extra cash in your pocket. Rethink your housing expenses. Housing is typically one of our biggest expenses, but it's also an area where we can potentially save a significant amount of money. If you're renting, consider downsizing to a smaller apartment or finding a roommate to split the costs. If you're a homeowner, think about renting out a spare room on Airbnb for some extra income. Become a home-cooked hero. Eating out is convenient, but it can also be a major drain on your finances. Cooking at home, on the other hand, is not only healthier, but also significantly cheaper. In fact, you can often cook a meal at home for a fraction of the cost of eating out. Invest in some basic kitchen tools like a slow cooker or a pressure cooker to make meal prep even easier. Embrace the world of free activities. Living below your means doesn't mean you have to live a boring life. There are tons of free or low-cost activities you can enjoy without breaking the bank. Explore the parks in your city, visit a museum on a free admission day, or attend a local concert or festival. Stay motivated on your financial journey. Living below your means is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when you're tempted to splurge or go back to your old spending habits. Keep track of your progress, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for support from friends, family, or a financial advisor. The path to financial freedom starts now. So there you have it, the simple secrets to living below your means. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices with your money and building a solid financial foundation for the future. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on building wealth and achieving financial independence. See you in the next video.